Welcome back into this channel. Today we will be talking about how to ring up an office using some of the office manners on the telephone. Allo? Allo, mbote, Kombo na ngai, maman Vero, na bengi à partir ya Londres. Hello, my name is Veronique. I'm calling you from London. Est-ce que vous pouvez connecter na departement ya child benefits? Can you actually put me through to a child benefit department, please? Olobi na pesa numero nini. Excuse me, I didn't catch that up. What reference is it that you want? Okay, reference ngai ezali. Okay, my reference is yes, is ngai. Yes, that's me. Olobi na loba probleme nini na bengeli yo. Okay, are you ready to listen to my query? Ah, d'accord. Na lingi na yeba, Paiement na ngai ya mbongo eloleka mukolo nini? I'm just calling to find out when am I getting next paid? Ah, eloleka jeudi. Po ezali journée fériée vendredi. Oh, okay. So you're gonna pay me on Thursday because Friday is a bank holiday. Oh, okay. Merci mingi. Oh, that's good. Thank you so much. Merci vraiment ndingo ya mnolinga na ba question nanga. Wana sui naza problème mususu na obenga prochainement. Thank you so much for answering my queries. So if I've got another question, I'll call back again in some other times. Merci beaucoup. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Wana nakanti bolandi comment okukusa la conversation en anglais kubenga departement ya child benefits komeka kutuna bango mukoni barofuta mbongo ya bana. Alors soko sepeli na vidéo oyo kabola yango okokoluka nga mo pe Adrienne première dame na YouTube pour na baluki ya ba maman et puis pour na makambo mosusu.